Haiyan Lewei Hardware and Tool Company Limited main products are bolts, nuts, screws, threaded rod, self-tapping screws, carriage bolt, titanium screws, anti-theft screws, rivet nuts, stamping parts, CNC parts, lather parts, especially the non-standard fasteners, which have a high reputation in researching and producing. All of our products meet to the ANSI, DIN, UNI, JIS, ISO GB standard, and being widely used in aerospace, automotive, mechanical, source, electronic, medical equipment, military, metallurgy, pathway, bridge, public device area, etc. The company provides more professional, more worry-free, more processing services to meet your purchasing needs.